Why should you care about a bank star rating? That little score can tell you a lot about where you keep your money. Today, we're diving into the details of the MoneyRates star rating for Patriot Bank. This rating system isn't just a simple popularity contest, it's a detailed, data-driven look at how a bank measures up. Understanding it means you can make a smarter choice for your personal finances. What is MoneyRates star rating? The MoneyRates star rating system, often seen in the financial world, is an objective way to grade a bank's performance. It's primarily focused on safety and stability. Unlike ratings that focus only on customer reviews or flashy features, this one digs into the bank's core financial health. It uses a scale from 0 stars to 5 stars, with 5 stars being the highest possible rating, indicating the strongest financial condition. Think of it as a comprehensive report card on how well the bank is managing its money, not just yours. What factors determine the rating? So, what exactly is MoneyRates looking at? It's a combination of critical financial metrics that signal a bank's stability and strength. Key areas include capital adequacy. This is arguably the most crucial factor. It assesses whether the bank has enough capital to absorb potential losses. A well-capitalized bank is better positioned to weather economic downturns. Asset quality. This looks at the quality of the bank's loans and investments. Are they holding too many risky assets? High asset quality means fewer problematic loans, which translates to a lower risk for the bank. Profitability and loss trend. The rating analyzes the bank's earnings over time. Consistent, strong profitability is a sign of good management and sustainable operations. Liquidity. Can the bank easily meet short-term financial demands, like customer withdrawals? Good liquidity means the bank has enough cash or easily convertible assets to handle normal operations without strain. In short, a strong star rating from MoneyRates means the bank has a solid financial foundation, manages its assets well, and is consistently profitable. It's an indicator of institutional strength. The rating for Patriot Bank. While the star rating can fluctuate with financial cycles and bank performance, Patriot Bank, like other institutions reviewed, is assessed against these tough metrics. If Patriot Bank earns a high rating, say 4 or 5 stars, it suggests the bank is on very solid financial footing according to MoneyRates methodology. This high score tells you that their financial stability is above average and they are recommended as a safe choice for your deposits. Conversely, a lower rating would suggest some underlying financial stress or weakness that prospective customers should investigate further. Always remember to check the most current rating before making a decision, as these can change quarterly. The takeaway here is that the MoneyRates star rating provides a trustworthy, objective measure of a bank's safety, helping you look past the marketing and into the raw numbers that truly matter. It's an essential tool for smart banking. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.